The Impremey Folding Treadmill IT-15 offers a unique heart rate control workout system designed to optimize your exercise experience by automatically adjusting speed based on your heart rate. With an impressive 15% auto-electric incline, this treadmill provides varying intensity levels to challenge your fitness routine. Its ultra-large running area of 50 inches by 19 inches ensures ample space for comfortable workouts, while the compact design allows for easy storage after use. The treadmill is powered by a robust 3.5 horsepower motor, supporting speeds up to 11 miles per hour and accommodating users up to 350 pounds. Assembly is straightforward, with the treadmill arriving 80% pre-assembled, and it includes a warranty offering 20 years on the structural frame and 1 year on other parts. The treadmill's portability is enhanced by built-in wheels, making it simple to move around your home for convenient use and storage.